Like the video and subscribe to our channel right now and get 1 week of amazing luck. It's amazing to watch a movie's protagonist battle through a storm, but it's quite another thing to have one of the strongest hurricanes ever recorded land directly outside your window. In recent years, Mother Nature has been extremely unhappy with us. Therefore, gather your umbrella and brace yourself for the times when Mother Nature gets angry. But before we get started, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell before they get washed away. This guy believed that his residence would be sufficiently secured with duct tape. Now when a hurricane is approaching, even an iron door won't help, thus all of his optimism is vanishing. And here is how quickly Ian was able to flood a whole house. For this reason, you have to heed the evacuation orders. This guy was shocked to learn that an entire car could be washed away by a downpour, so Mother Nature decided to teach him a new skill. Here are the heroes who came after the flood. This dynamic duo cheers up the whole city. This is what it feels like to spend 5 hours straight in Hurricane Ian's eye. Nothing nearly like this has happened to the locals in the last 30 years. This photographer didn't know he would have front row seats to a hurricane when he got to the shooting spot. Thank goodness, nobody was harmed here. A landslide on a mountain road could occur at any time in this kind of weather, but life hasn't prepared me in the slightest to be pursued by one. However, hurricanes can occasionally have advantageous effects, such as receiving a complimentary meal. This man even received delivery to his house. If you want to know why Hurricane Fiona became the most expensive hurricane in Canadian history, watch closely. Yes, all of the cars appear like way from the exterior throughout the winter, but what about the inside? Is this something that qualifies as an insurance event? During a strong storm, a highly unusual phenomenon was seen on the beach: the large umbrella migration and the fastest beach evacuation.
All those umbrellas just blew out the sea.
Oh my God.
This family weekend getaway abruptly ended when a tornado swept through half of Smith Island at a speed of 180 kilometers an hour.
Oh my God, it's right up the face.
Oh no.
Look at
Oh
that.
no. Oh no.
Do you think Goth of Thunderstorm exists? The god is caught on camera, the most powerful lightning strike ever caught. We all know what a normal earthquake can do. Now see this home surveillance video that captured the terrifying moment a 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck Alaska around 5 years ago. And if you think a 7.0 magnitude earthquake looks scary, then this is a 9.1 magnitude earthquake footage. In this footage, you can see this tall building swaying in both directions. More scary, right? Just increase the volume and listen to this scary ice ball rain. This is wind blowing in Turkey, and always remember no one can stand in front of it. And this video recorded in Poland. And just tell me, do you like to drive in this weather condition? If your answer is yes, then watch in this clip what can happen at any moment.
Heavy hail.
That's how a normal tornado can become dangerous and can destroy a lot in a few seconds.
Abi şuraya bak. Parçaları görüyor musun çatını? Zoom yapsana. Zoom yap. Bak çatı parçalar onlar, görüyor musun? Bak şu an oraya. Yakın yakın. Zoom yap, zoom yap. Zoom zoom. Parçaları gör.
That's how a fire caused by nature can destroy everything. Never ever messes with nature. See how scary this can become. This footage is from India, where people trying to go inside because of a heavy storm. Is this a baseball or a golf ball? Oh my god. This is an ice ball falling from the sky. That's how tornadoes can become more dangerous and powerful with time.
Small but powerful tornado rips through a street in Kentucky.
Yeah. Holy mackerel, there goes that. Oh my goodness.
Burası İstanbul, Tuzla.
Şöyle biraz daha şuraya gelip de çeksene ya.
Çok güzel gözüküyor.
Deniz bak buralara da geldik artık.
Tamam.
Oğlum bak bizim şeye doğru geldik.
Görüyorum.